Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing with the BTARTBOX Bare Series, and I'm really excited because I have 2 shades left. We've done all of the shades. We've done a set with every single one of the shades. We've only got 2 left. We've got Blush and Dusty Rose. So for this set, I wanted to create something really soft and very spring inspired. I'm thinking 3D flowers, and of course, I've been seeing this everywhere, the little ladybug details. So we're going to do that today for today's set. Before we get into the new set, I quickly want to show you how my current nails have been holding up before I remove them. So let's get into it, shall we? Let me show you how this set has been holding up, and we'll move into the new design. It's held up really well, other than the growth, you know. But all of the charms are still intact, even the little caviar beads. Okay, I did, which one was it? I think it was this finger. This finger, I lost one caviar bead right here. And I did notice that my little bows, the metal kind of changed color. But other than that, everything has held up really, really well. So let me remove these and we'll get into our new set. I've gone over my full prep in my previous nail videos, so I'm going to jump straight into application. Now, I did actually this time around go in with this for my peel-off base. I most always use my Jello, but there's no particular reason. I don't know, for the sake of just using something different. So that is what I have applied. Really quick, before we get into sizing the nails, look what just came. I am so excited. I picked up Stiletto and Coffin. Let me switch the light and see if we can get the cat eye. Hang on. So I've got the flash on to see if you can maybe pick up on the cat eye. But it's a cat eye base and then pastel French. So you get the multiple colors. Look how pretty. Yeah, but we're finishing our Bare series first, and then we'll get into that stuff. But this just came, and I just wanted to share it with you. So these are the XCOATTIPS Bare Medium Coffin, and that's what we've been using throughout this series. This was the one we most recently did, and this is Milky Pink. That's the one I did that was the lace. Kind of like bridal inspired, bridal couture, if you will. This is Pink Mist. The colors are so gorgeous. This is why I had so much fun with this little series. This is Porcelain. And now we've got the 2 left. We've got Blush, which is the pinkier of the 2, and then Dusty Rose. So I'm thinking to go with Dusty Rose. Yeah, let's do Dusty Rose. I love how natural these look while still giving that structure, because down at the cuticle, it's a bit thinner. And then when you get up to the free edge, it's a bit thicker. Let me go ahead and pick out my sizes. And you always want to make sure sidewall to sidewall. Sizing out is really easy because you can pick from the variety, make sure it fits, and then take it off. You always get that salon quality right at home very easily. And as always with BTARTBOX, you don't have to do any prep to the nail. Everything is already done for you. So all we've done is size out. Now we're going to go in with glue and apply. And I'm going in with the solid glue gel. Little flash cure lamp. So I've applied a little bit of the glue. Gonna go in at a 45-degree angle, watch the glue go up to my free edge, and then flash cure. Nice and easy. We're just gonna continue that process. Now let's give it a full cure in the full-size lamp. Cuticle cleanup. I personally like doing this just so that everything is super flush, and as you can see, I get long wear, but it's definitely optional. Is optional, but I like going in with a little bit of acetone right around the cuticle to keep the nails nice and flush, and I get nice long wear when I do that. So I just take a little and go right around the cuticle, and what that does, it just helps melt the nail in with your cuticle. Simple little step, but look how nice. All right, now let's just file down the little tabs. Remember, we get these when we take off the nails from the whole entire set. So quick little file to remove that and keep the tips nice and crisp. Now, if you don't want to do any designs, you're all done. You see how quick and easy that was? You go in with your top coat, cap the tips, and that's it. You're all done. And this color is so pretty. Okay, but I am so looking forward to creating my little flowers and my ladybug. So I wanted this set to feel very soft and very spring inspired, but still have little details that make it special. I picked this up, and it's a little set that comes with this little gel that I'm going to use to make the 3D flowers. I already made a set on my daughter with this. We've tried it already. So I'm excited. Kind of got my practice in with her. We've got that. I also need my green nail polish because I'm going to create little vines. I'm going to be using this one. That's the shade color. There we go. I need my liner brush right here. Red polish for the ladybug, and I'm going to need a black as well. And I'm going to use this for the black for the little ladybug. Okay, let's get to it. I'm going to just coat the brush so we can draw on the little stems for the flowers. right, let's do our flowers. Hey, my little flower. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Let me flash curve before I mess it up. So let's do a bigger flower. Goodness, these flowers came out so cute. All right, now where am I putting the little ladybug? I think the ladybug needs to go on this finger. Yeah, I think that's a good size. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna flatten it out just a little bit. I think that's sufficient. Let's cure it. All right, so for the ladybug, I've got my red and my black. I'm gonna paint this red. Stop. Look at the little ladybug. I can't. Let's top coat. And I have these bare, no pun intended. So you can see what these look like plain, and then I'll top coat a little spring set here. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay. I do always put top coat on the underside because this helps keep the nails nice and clean and free of dust and lint and anything sticking under there. I'm going to do a bit of hand cream because my hands are nice and dry, which is intentional. Whenever I'm doing my nails, I like them to be super duper dry. It really makes working with nail. You want everything to be nice and dry when you're doing your nails, but now that I'm done, bring a little moisture back. And we'll go on with some cuticle oil as well. Going in with my BTARTBOX cuticle oil. This is biphase, so you want to give it a good shake. Get some hydration back on these cuticles because whew, they're dry. Here we are, simple plain. This is gorgeous all on its. I love this color all on its own. It's so pretty. I'm glad that I could show it to you without any design. So hey, if you want to just apply one of these colors from the Bare series and not do any extra, really easy and quick and looks gorgeous. But this set is so pretty for spring. The little ladybug is so cute. This set turned out so soft and pretty. I love how it feels like a true spring set. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to share the finale, which is going to be our final color since we've created a look with each and every one of the colors from the Bare set. I saved the pink one for last. If you've enjoyed today's video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.